In front of me is Oppo A80 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by opening one of your apps to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then use those three dots at the top right corner, select split screen and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!